I would like to ask the chair to furnish all of the members the signed report of the small committee for 2025.
Thank you very much, Representative Chanco. The request will be put under consideration and we will let you know if it's possible to...
No, Madam Chair, why should it be put under consideration? This is of public record. This is in accordance with our rules, that all committee reports must be given to all members. It should not be taken into consideration.
This representation was not the appropriations chair at the time. So the person who's covering the jurisdiction of that particular document, that is a document within the purview of the 19th Congress. Given that we've now crossed over to the 20th Congress, we would need to consider that request.
Madam Chair, that's not acceptable. This is public records. Pareho pa naman yung COMSEC natin. At yan dapat linalagay sa archives. Ang daming violation, Madam Chair. Walang record, hindi binigay. Ngayon, it's not readily available. Walang record sa archives. Ano to, sikreto?
Again, this representation was not the appropriations chair.
Let's ask the committee secretary, where are the signed records of the 2025 small committee report? Madam Chair, simple lang to. Kung electronic copy, dapat lahat may electronic copy. So dapat i-email sa amin lahat within 5 minutes, di ba?